Hello and welcome to the classroom in the Estonian Nautical School. In here we have a set of computers, we have a smart whiteboard, and we also have a maritime simulator. I will go more in depth in the next slide. This is the smart whiteboard, which acts as a regular whiteboard but with added functions, such as casting the teacher's screen onto the whiteboard. One of the main programs on this is called Whiteboard. And what Whiteboard allows you to do is make sketches, like so, and easily get rid of them. You also have the option of using things such as rulers to make special designs. And you are also able to use markers, for example. There are a couple more functions, but these are the most important ones. This is the maritime simulator. On this, you are able to pilot from a variety of different types of ships around the world. Now, to use this, I'll demonstrate by going into standalone mode and free practice. Now I will select an environment such as Gibraltar. Now I will select the ship such as this container vessel. And I will select my start position from this map here. And I will start from here. I am also able to control the weather. Let's say I want a storm. There we go. And start. Now while this is loading, I'll explain the different screens here. This bottom left one is the radar, which just functions as a radar. It sends signals around you to determine what's around you. The bottom right one is an electronic chart used for navigating the seas, and we are able to find our location here. And these three screens on the top are the first person view, or what you would see if you were on the ship. Currently, okay. Here's our location on the electronic chart. There's a line here which shows our current trajectory if we were to move. This middle screen shows us information about our ship. So right now we are able to see that our heading is 319, and also that we are being pushed to the left by 1.9 knots. Now to pilot this, there's this neat controller here. We have the shift and throttle levers, we have the rudder levers, and we have a lot of different controls here, but we should be able to navigate fine using these for the moment. These buttons here are for the camera, so we can change the perspective. Here we are able to look around using this joystick. Get our bearing by moving around the camera. So if I wanted to move forward right now, I'll just move these levers. Now since it's storming and there's quite a lot of waves, we are going to be moving quite slowly and unstably. Now if I want to reverse, I could just pull these back. And I could also turn around or steer with the wheel. And that's it. Thank you for listening and watching the presentation. I hope you enjoyed it.